Today I'm excited to show you guys and to test drive this 1934 Ford. Just a beautiful street rod, really nice paint, nice interior, cold air conditioning, and I just love these cars. It's got a great look, good running 327. Nice paint and body. Got this one out of Waterloo, Iowa. The story was that a gentleman bought this car a handful of years ago from another dealer out east. He got it back. He didn't like the rider-driver feel, so he spent thousands and thousands of dollars, I think right around 15 to 20,000 bucks, going through the suspension and the handling on it. So it's got really nice coilover front suspension and coilovers in the rear, upgraded control arms. This thing drives like a dream. Now it's got cold air conditioning. Pop our hood and check out the drivetrain. It's your class if you want, right? I'm not gonna pull the prop out or nothing, but it does have a little prop here for your hood. But cold AC, nice set of headers, 327, 4-barrel carb. Does have a Chevy drivetrain in it. Really common with a lot of these Ford street rods you'll see with 350s or 327s. So it's got that. Turbo 350, 3-speed automatic transmission. Nice 12-bolt rear end. I love the styling and design. Like the hood ornament is so classy. Yeah. Greyhound hood ornament. The grill's beautiful. This was kind of your hot rodder's choice back in the day. This is kind of what kicked it off. Is these early Fords, guys started hot rodding them.
Look at the horns. Those
Isn't that neat? Yeah. Yeah, beautiful paint too. Look at the front fenders. And the paint's got a great shine. Really, really nice restoration. The grill's in good shape. Chrome has a nice shine. Headlights look good. Even all along this front fascia, often you'll see them beat up. This is really nice. Not even many rock chips or anything. Just beautiful paint. Definitely a show quality build. And I like the wire wheels too. When I first looked at and bought this car, I wasn't sure how I felt about them. But they fit the car. Like as soon as I walked up to it in person, I'm like, oh yeah, the wheels got to stay. They just fit the car so well.
They do.
That era, that styling, that classic street rod.
I wonder how many spokes are on there, like 50?
Probably. The hood, paint across the hood, and the way the hood lines up to the cowl is excellent. Front fender, it's beautiful. Tires are in great shape. Your windshield's awesome too. Wipers work. We'll go through all that here on our drive, but glass is in great shape. And I like the interior too. Especially in person. This is one where you see in person and everything just goes together so well. Paint on the dash is beautiful. It's got some upgraded gauges. Like that they mounted a radio there. The headliners, good and tight. Tons of room in the back seat. The seats are in great shape. Door panels match. And it fits the car really well. Even all these little pieces they took off and painted. Door jamb paint's great.
The doors shut and open really easily too.
Yes, they do. Roof is awesome. This is neat too. Rear fenders are really nice. Got taillights, mounted spare that matches. Bumpers are in good shape. There's not really much of anything as far as imperfections on the paint or body. Really nice job there. Glass looks good. Roof is excellent. Good sounding dual exhaust. Filler necks easily accessible. And you can see the undercarriage pictures on our site, but we'll take a quick look. You can see the coilovers, new tank. Looks like it's got 4-link suspension in the rear. He spent a lot of money getting the ride and drive that he liked. His wife didn't like driving in it when the car first arrived to him. So we had to make the wife happy and really did a wonderful job on the upgrades. Little scratch here that's been touched up. Really nice straight body. Fenders are nice on the driver's side as well. Good wheel and tire choice and good size choice for those wheels and tires. 225/70 15s in the rear, and then you have 14-inch rim in the front. Glass is great. These front fenders got one little chip here that's been touched up. Other than that, beautiful. Tire size for the front, guys, is 70/14, 185/70 14s. You have a little paint blem right here on the hood. Just a little rise there on that edge. excellent chrome. Driver's door panel's in beautiful shape. And we lucked out again today, right? We were second video with air, with AC.
I know.
Tilt wheel too, another great option. And I like the steering wheel, leather wrapped in red. Door jambs are nice. Driver's seat is in good shape. Same thing with the back seat's in awesome shape. Jump on in, Riley, let's drive her. That door's open and close real easy. Got some upgraded gauges here. You got speedometer, tach, and gas gauge. Those all work. Temp gauge works, volt gauge works, carries fantastic oil pressure, and then you have a little clock there too. Really nice sounding cam too.
Yeah.
Just a nice little mild cam. Good throaty sound.
I was telling Dad when I was picturing this thing yesterday, with the back seat and everything, it just kind of looks like a pimp mobile. It's like a big old couch. And
that's what's cool with these old Fords is they're like kind of back in the day, a lot of the gangsters would use them. Oh, Al Capone. You have a nice radio here, Bluetooth, aux, AM and FM. Air blows nice and cold. Beluga. Horn works. Wipers. Most often, guys, these street rods don't have working wipers. This one does.
Look how tiny it is.
Days of summer, the Freeborn's
got
getting bigger.
Good speakers in it too.
Oh, yeah.
Works nice. Air's blowing ice cold. We'll take that on a day like today. Glove box, you got all your vintage air stuff tucked in there. I was impressed with when I drove this the first time. It's just a good car, drives good. With these old Fords, they were set up from the factory just like it is now, where you got your gas on the right side of the column and your brake on the left. So you gotta double foot them. Steer's great. Even that, like going over that big bump out of the lot, suspension feels nice.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet in the cab. Brake stop great, it's got front disc. Good sound dual exhaust. Nice shift. It just handles and goes down the road nice and smooth.
Yeah. We're going probably what, 60, 65?
Yeah, speedometer reads off, it reads high.
Yeah.
So we're doing like 90 or probably doing 65, 70. But look at the front end and suspension. It just handles nice. There's no rattles, no shakes. It seals up really nice and quiet.
Absolutely no wind noise.
No, so many of these street rods you get in and they feel like a street rod. This goes down the road awesome.
Yeah.
Your wife would be happy with it. The previous owner made sure his was. Let's see, check our brakes again at a little higher speed. They're set up really nice. You have a full pedal. They stop perfectly straight. No pull, no vibrations. It's nice. We go through and check all the brakes and all the lights, all that sort of thing. When it first came in, the headlights were working kind of intermittently, so we put a new headlight switch in it. So headlights and turn signals all work great. Brake lights work. That guy's turning his head and looking at it. It's a cool car.
He's from Minnesota, even from here.
No. Turn signal indicators work in the dash. Sits here in idle's excellent at about 500-600 RPM with the air on. Great oil pressure, temp gauge, we're warming up now. Temp gauge works.
I love the style of gauges that they have on there. That's cool.
Yeah, I do too.
I was curious though, what's the petrol for the gas? And then the
What? Petrol?
What? Yeah.
That means fuel.
Oh, really?
Now we got her warmed up. She's got awesome performance too. Nice and quick. We gave that old Mercury a big head start and we're gonna catch him already. What a car. Someone's gonna love it. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Just ready to go. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next test drive.